Hi family, welcome back to our channel. As you all know me, my name is Queen and I'm popularly known as IGBOWITHQUEENTV. In this channel, we talk about Igbo. We teach Igbo language. For the beginners that don't know how to speak Igbo, this channel and this very video is for you. So guys, in this video, we are going to be learning family members. What we call our family members in Igbo language. If today is your first time visiting me in this channel, do not forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. Mother. Mother is nne. Nne. Nne is mother. Nne. In Igbo, we call our mother nne. Nne. That is mother. Nne. Nne. That is our mother. Nne. Father. Nna. Nna. We call our father Nna. Nna. That is father. Nna. Nna. Mother and father. Nne. Nna. Nne. Nna. Nne. Nna. That is mother, father. Nne. Nna. My sister. My sister. My sister is nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. That is my sister. Nwanne m nwanyị. My sister. Nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. That is my sister. My brother. Nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. That is my brother. Nwanne m nwoke. My brother. Nwanne m nwoke. My brother. Nwanne m nwoke. My grandmother. My grandmother. Nne nne m. Nne nne m. Nne nne m. That is my grandmother. Nne nne m. My grandmother. Nne nne m. Nne nne m. That is my grandmother. Nne nne m. My grandfather. Nna nna m. Nna nna m is your grandfather. Nna nna m. Nna nna m is my grandfather. Nna nna m, my grandfather. Nna nna m, my grandfather. Nna nna m. My siblings. My siblings. My siblings. Ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m, that is my siblings. Ụmụnne m. My siblings. Ụmụnne m. My siblings. Ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m, that is my siblings. Ụmụnne m, that is all of them. All my sisters, my brothers, they are ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m, my siblings. Ụmụnne m. My family. My family. Ezinụlọ m. Ezinụlọ m. That is my family. Ezinụlọ m. Ezinụlọ m. That is my family. Ezinụlọ m. That is your family, your mother, your father, your sisters, your brothers, your grandmom, your granddad. That is ezinụlọ m. That is my family. Ezinụlọ m. Ezinụlọ m. My mother's siblings. Ụmụnne nne m. My mother's siblings. Ụmụnne nne m. Ụmụnne nne m. Ụmụnne nne m. That is my mother's siblings. Ụmụnne nne m. Ụmụnne nne m. That is my mother's siblings. Ụmụnne nne m. Ụmụnne nna m. Ụmụnne nnam, that is my father's siblings. Ụmụnne nnam, my father's siblings. Ụmụnne nnam, my father's siblings. Ụmụnne nnam, my baby. My baby. Nwam, my baby or my child. If you want to say my son, each other say my son. You say nwam nwoke, that is my son. Nwam nwoke. Nwam nwoke, that is my son. Nwam nwoke, that is my son. Nwam nwoke, my son. Nwam nwoke. Nwam nwaanyị. Nwam nwaanyị, that is my daughter. Nwam nwaanyị, my daughter. Nwam nwaanyị, that is my daughter. Nwam nwaanyị. My kids, my children. Ụmụm. Ụmụm, that is my kids. Ụmụm, that is my kids altogether of your kids. Ụmụm. Leave the road. Leave the road. Pụọrọ m n'ụzọ. Pụọrọ m n'ụzọ. Pụọrọ m n'ụzọ, that is leave the road. Pụọrọ m n'ụzọ, leave the road. Run. Run, that is gbaa ọsọ. Gbaa ọsọ, that is run. Gbaa ọsọ, run. Gbaa ọsọ. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.